Hello everybody, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can archive skins in Fortnite game. So before we proceed further, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button down below. Also, this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, when we open Fortnite, we get this basic lobby. What we have to look for is the top options here: play, battle pass, quests, compete, and the locker. We have to click on locker, then pick skins. And let's say you want to archive a specific skin like this one. You go lower right corner, clicking archive and holding a little bit. Now select that skin and go archive one item. And now your item is archived, but it just disappeared from our outfits. And how to check archived skins? Go sort plus filter. Now you have to scroll down till you find archived and click on that. And boom, here is your archived skins. As you can see here, I have two, but you will get one if you just discovered this. Thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please make sure once again to leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.